Furrion Elysium. Furrion Elysium is a concept RV inspired by technologies. Measuring 45 feet long by 8 feet wide, it offers amenities that will put even modern homes to shame. It comes equipped with the newest electronic gadgets, comfort features, and entertainment system to keep just about anybody happy on the road. The most notable features are, of course, the Robinson R22 mini helicopter and the retractable helipad on the deck. When in transit, the helicopter can be nicely concealed in the bedroom below. But that's not all. You also have 4K TVs, Bluetooth speakers, modern kitchen appliances, and a hot tub, among other things. VARIO Signature 1200. The VARIO Signature 1200 is one of the most standout vehicles in its class, and not only because it's the largest and one of the most expensive motorhomes on the market right now. Created by German company VARIO Mobil, this luxurious beauty is powered by a 523 horsepower 6-cylinder turbo engine, and it comes equipped with a unique hydraulic ramp where you can slide in or out your desirable car. It also features an insulated fiberglass cabin packed with numerous luxurious features, including a touchscreen controlled induction cooktop, 190-liter refrigerator, dishwasher, a full bathroom with mineral stone sink, not to mention the LED TV with satellite and Bose audio system. The RV's rear garage door has enough space for a Mini Cooper or a Porsche 911 because you wouldn't want to travel around the city streets in an RV anyway. Essentially, you have all you need to live in comfort and style, making the Signature experience one you need to have at least once in your lifetime. Newmar King Aire. The latest iteration of the world-renowned Newmar King Aire has become the new epitome of lavish travel. Designed for the most refined luxury-craving travelers, propelled by a 605 horsepower Cummins X15 diesel, it's no less than an equivalent of a top-tier residential equipment with the likes of Viking convection microwave and stainless refrigerator, AXOR faucet, Fisher and Paykel dishwasher, and Wolf induction cooktop. Whether in the kitchen, bedroom, or bathroom, you'll be pleased to see quartz countertops, all of which are super polished. Down in the living area, a high-end entertainment system with Samsung 55-inch 8K QLED TV and a Bose 700 sound touch bar turn the coach into a personal theater most of us don't even have at home. What makes the 2022 Newmar King Aire even better is how the entire 45-foot coach cruises along the road. It's been fitted with Comfort Drive steering system, so the person behind the wheel can get a taste of that relaxing experience as those lounging in the back. Lane departure warning system, collision mitigation technology, and adaptive cruise control come standard. Talk about luxury. eleMMent Palazzo. Inspired by the world of motorsport and the decadent luxury of royalty, this vehicle has been crowned the most luxurious RV in the world. The body emphasizes a reliable and robust design across all the eleMMent series, while paying careful attention to the functionality that makes this vehicle so special. One of the main attractions of this vehicle is the panoramic windscreen that can be darkened in 2 tones using an adjustable system as protection from the sun, as well as the Sky Lounge, which is guaranteed to brighten up your day. This added accessory is meant strictly for the owner's personal panoramic views and lifts automatically up out of the body, creating a breathtaking walled-in roof deck effect. Volkner Mobil Performance S. Priced at $1.7 million, the Volkner Performance S may not be the most expensive motorhome in the world, but without a doubt, it must be right up there with the extravagantly luxurious ones. It offers completely customizable interior that features fully fitted kitchen, a separate bath and shower, and a real toilet, marble, wood, and 40-inch TVs. Let's not forget that Volkner is kind enough to build a hydraulic slide-out parking garage inside the motorhome. And similar to remodeling project, you can extend the living space by adding a slide-out to gain an extra 20% of elbow room with just the touch of a button. Everywhere you look, there's a real wood cabinet, real sheepskin carpets, and state-of-the-art appliances such as induction stovetop and a pricey Siemens dishwasher. There's also a full-size double bed, and at the end of it, a 40-inch TV with HDMI ports. MAGELLANO Edition 1. Based on the Mercedes Actros, the MAGELLANO Edition 1 measures roughly 10.5 meters long and 2.5 meters wide. With Gigaspace cab, the motorhome stands nearly 4 meters tall. And that's not even the end of it. The body can be further enlarged using 2 extendable bays for additional living space. When only one bay is extended, the corner seating area turns into a lounge to fit 8 people in comfort. On the entertainment front, the Edition 1 comes equipped with satellite system, 2 televisions, and high-end audio as standard. Should you and the guests get wet from the rain, the underfloor heating and heater boosters will keep everyone dry and warm. Air conditioning is available in every room, including the kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, and cockpit. Similar to most luxurious motorhomes, customers have the freedom to request additional features, for additional fee, of course. There's a garage in the rear measuring 1.8 by 2.2 by 1.3 meters, so it'd fit a small car just fine. Newmar London Aire. Another from Newmar is the all-new 2022 London Aire, which now comes with a 45-foot floor plan thanks to the additions of rear bedroom and standard work area. Apart from that, Newmar offers 4 more floor plans with little difference in terms of luxury and comfort. In every model available, the kitchen has been revamped to serve a multifunctional purpose as a storage area as well. A large window allows for more natural light. Refrigerator and microwave come as standard features, although the dishwasher is optional. Regardless of the floor plan you choose, Newmar gives a standard hide-a-bed sofa and an opposing jackknife sofa. Recliners with reading lights are available as optional features. Entertainment is always at the ready to bring both visual and audio treatments with Samsung 4K LED TV, Bose soundbar, and subwoofer. Cathedral ceiling is a nice luxurious touch, whereas the heated porcelain tile gives you the much-needed comfort in every climate. There's now a new app which mainly works as a monitoring software for the coach to let you take a glance of numerous essential functions such as climate control, tank levels, water pump, and more. Thor Motor Coach Tuscany. Made by Thor, the 2021 Tuscany luxury motorhome is built on a Freightliner XCR raised rail chassis. The engine compartment conceals an 8.9-liter Cummins ISL diesel that generates 450 horsepower and 1,250 pound-feet of torque. The interior of the Tuscany is crafted in a way that resembles a residential living quarter. Features such as electrical, safety, heating and cooling, plumbing, and waste management come standard, as they should in a $500,000 home. Polished porcelain tile flooring is hardwired to electric heating, and the ceiling lacked no decorative treatment, added with mood lighting to get the luxurious atmosphere inside. Plenty of seating options are available in the dining and living rooms. They can be converted into extra sleeping areas without much effort. A retractable LED TV and Bluetooth soundbar are easily accessible. A couple more TVs can be found in two more sections of the luxury coach.